Hey, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and today I'm reviewing the ESV Journaling Bible. This is the Autumn Song Edition, and it retails for $37.99, but I have found it for as low as $11. So if you are following us on our Facebook page, we always try to share whenever we find great deals on the Bible, so please go ahead and visit us there on Facebook at Bible Journaling Ministries, and that's where you can find all the deals. So let's go ahead and get started looking at this really cute, compact journaling Bible. Now there are different versions of it, but this one comes in a really nice sturdy case. So the case is really just sturdy and strong and nice, and it will really just be great for gift giving. So if you are looking to give this away as a gift, I think it would be great. And the design of this bird is absolutely stunning. I just loved it. This is created by Crossway, and this is called the English Standard Version, and the hardcover is what I have. This does come in a large print as well as an interleaved print, as well. And if I can find the links to those, I will put them in the description. Otherwise, you can find a good Bible for you on our site as well. So just kind of going through it real quickly, the Bible has the introduction page, the dedication page. You can certainly write in that, and that's awesome. But it is cream colored so that you can see that there's a difference between even my white background here and the cream as well. As we're looking at, like, what does this weigh? Let's go ahead and weigh that. And it is 1 pound, almost 11 ounces, a little bit over 1 pound, 11 ounces. So you can see if you want to carry that around. But I really like how compact it is. I do have another ESV journaling Bible that I use, and let me grab it here for you real quickly. Just for comparison, this is a large print Bible, so you can see the difference in size. Certainly different in size. But this is my other ESV Bible by Crossway. It's a journaling Bible as well, and it is the same size. So if you like the smaller compact journaling Bibles, this is for you. The size of this is a little, I would say a little under 6.5 inches wide by a little under, almost exactly actually 7.5 inches long. In terms of the spine, we've got a little over 1 inch, so about 1.25 inches there on that spine. I thought it was really nice because it is lightweight, and I actually did wrinkle it when I grabbed it. I closed it and then put it in its case, and my pages were bent. So it didn't come bent, my pages. I bent them for myself. So you get the context, you get some just front matter here, really good verses about topics if you're looking for identity, idolatry, heaven. All these are great verses for you to look up. I like this section here that is, what does the Bible say? What does the Bible say about a certain topic? You get the preface. This is very standard stuff, and then into the introduction of the Old Testament. And this actually is the only single column. The rest of it is double column, and then you have your margin. And your margin from the words to the end is a little over 2 inches, and a little. It's just barely 2 inches. From the, well, if I go to centimeters, that might be helpful. If I do centimeters, like about 5.5 centimeters, or just a little over 2 inches on the width. But if you're just going line to line, it's a little bit 1 and probably 1 3/4 inches ish. Yeah, 1 3/4 inches on that line. So if you're looking for just the line, there you have it. So here's where we start getting into the double column layout, and it's a very standard Bible. You get your cross references and your indexing as usual, and there's really nothing else to say. It's really just a plain Bible. The pages, they're thin, just like every other Bible that you get. So know that will be thin. You'll have to prep the page if you're going to use any type of watercolor or acrylic paint. I'm going to flip to the New Testament just to see if we get that standard page like we did in the Old Testament. There we go. Yep, we do. So you have the introduction to the New Testament here. That is a single column. The rest of it is double column. Then as we move to the back, there's some really great features of this Bible in the back. In the back, you have a section on God's plan to save you, which I encourage you to read. And then I really like this section here on the introduction. So for each of the books, you have an introduction about the book, and it goes into Old Testament and then as well into New Testament. Okay, and then finally in the back, you also have a daily Bible reading, which is awesome. I just thought that was really delightful that you can have an opportunity to read the Bible every day. It gives you exactly what you can be reading, and you just check them off one by one and you can get through the Bible. So I thought that was really delightful to have. And then you have the closing page, and that wraps it. It is not red lettered for those of you who are interested in that. Again, there's no red letters in this one. And I can't really think if there's anything else to share. It's 1,088 pages. It was printed in July 29th of 2016, and you know, it's a great journaling Bible. It has a coordinating ribbon that I didn't show you, but it's really pretty, and it matches the design. You can see just fine. So I just thought this was a really beautiful Bible. I look forward to using it in my Bible journaling, and I just think it's really well made because it has, you know, the ability just to carry around a hardcover Bible with you, and then, you know, these pages are really well in there. It's just a really nice Bible. So if you can get it for super cheap, like I mentioned before, then it might be something worth picking up if you wanted to even have an additional Bible around to journal in. Alright, I hope this review was helpful to you. If it was, please give us a thumbs up and like and subscribe. And visit us on BibleJournalingMinistries.com. Have a wonderful day now. Goodbye!